Buoyancy is the force that pushes a thing upward like a ship in the sea floats when it's pushed upwards and the pressure that comes from the bottom are equal to each other. This formula is used to obtain the force of gravity of the water, which could be in place of the selected object. G is the gravitational acceleration formula, which is expected to be 9.82 Newton per kilogram on Earth, while V is the volume of the water that is being repressed. So to find the buoyancy in a liquid, we have to use this formula. Then we tried to find the buoyancy for stone, ice, and aluminum in water. To find the volume, we did this. We started with putting the object into water. Then we set some tape where the water was. And then we took the object up, held water in, and then we found out how much water we had used. 1 milliliter is the same as 1 square centimeter. Then we measured how many newtons the object weighed. Now we took the object on the Newton meter down into the water. Then we measured how many newtons the object weighed. When we have to find out if our calculations is right, we took the weights and subtracted them with each other, and then we get the buoyancy. When we calculated on the buoyancy of the stone, it was 0.8 Newton, and when we weighed it, it was 0.93 Newton. When we calculated on ice buoyancy, it was 0.3 Newton, and when we measured it, it was 0.3 Newton as well. So that must mean that it was right. When we calculated on aluminum's buoyancy, it was 0.3 Newton, and when we weighed it, it was 0.26 Newton.